Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start fast. First, confirm a complete backup and wear an anti-static strap so you don't fry components. Once done, shut down and flip the MacBook, remove the pentalobe screws, and set them aside in order. You must remove the bottom case by prying gently with a spudger, feel for clips, and lift evenly to avoid bending. Make sure to ground yourself and keep screws grouped. This prevents lost parts and simplifies reassembly later. You'll now access the SSD, identify the M.2 blade SSD and observe how it's seated and oriented. Once clear, remove the single T5 screw securing the drive and gently pull the SSD straight out at the same shallow angle. Do not twist. After removal, inspect the socket and SSD contacts under good light and clean with compressed air if needed. Keep the screw safe, you'll reuse it. This step is delicate because bent contacts cause connection failures. You install the new drive by inserting it at the same angle and securing the T5 screw. Make sure it's fully seated. Once reassembled, boot into Internet Recovery with Command-Option-R Open Disk Utility to format the SSD as apps, then reinstall Mac OS. After installation, use Migration Assistant to restore your backup. If the drive is not recognized, reset NVRAM and SMC, reseat the SSD, and check connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.